Words translation. In Arabic, kalam. In English, talk. In Tagalog, magsalita. And in Magindanaon, agdalo. Next word translation. Musa'ada. In English, help. In Tagalog, tulungan. And in Maguindanao, tabangi. Next word translation in Arabic, irfa. In English, lift. In Tagalog, iangat. And in Maguindanao,